In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Appwrite account. Before we start, a quick note. Deleting your Appwrite account is permanent. You'll lose access to any personal projects you own, and you'll be removed from organizations you're part of. If you're the only owner of a project or organization, hand off ownership first, or you may be blocked from deleting. It's also smart to back up any data or configurations you might need later. First, sign into the Appwrite Cloud Console and navigate to the Organizations area. If you land on a different page, use the main navigation to switch to Organizations so you're in the right section of the console. Next, look to the top right corner of the screen and click your profile icon. That's your account menu. This opens a small drop-down with personal options related to your user settings. From that drop-down, select Account. This takes you to your account settings page where you manage personal details, security, and, importantly for today, the option to delete your account. On the account page, scroll until you find the section labeled Delete Account. Appwrite places this in a clearly marked area because it's a destructive action. Take a moment here to double check that you've saved anything important and that you're signed into the correct account, especially if you manage multiple workspaces. When you're ready, click Delete. At this point, Appwrite will ask you to confirm. You may be prompted to re-authenticate or type in a confirmation phrase. This is a security measure to ensure it's really you and that this isn't being done by accident. Once the confirmation dialog appears, click Delete again to finalize. Depending on your setup, you might see one more prompt to confirm the action. Go ahead and approve it. After the final confirmation, your account will be scheduled for deletion and your active session may end immediately. A few final tips to avoid surprises. If you see an error about ownership or active resources, resolve those first by transferring ownership or leaving organizations where required. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, be prepared to complete that step during confirmation. And if the delete button doesn't respond, try refreshing the page or using a private browsing window to rule out cache issues. That's it. You've successfully navigated to your account settings, initiated the deletion, confirmed it, and completed the process. Take care and make sure this is what you want, because once the account is deleted, recovery isn't possible.